What's up, Food Jacks? It's time to hit the food news headlines and see what's going on. First of all, McDonald's holiday pie returns nationwide. McRib rolls out in selected cities. Lots of stuff happening at McDonald's. So check it out if you're a big fan of their kind of world famous holiday pies. Go ahead and give that custard filled dessert a try. Taco Bell has just added poblano peppers. I love poblano. Some of you know it as like Anaheim chilies. They usually come stuffed and all that. Don't know what they're doing. Let's see. Uh, New steak and poblano rolled quesadillas. Might be worth a look. That will be launching November 20th. The Adam spotlights poblano flavor in a roll. Poblano flavor. Come on. I got to see what the poblano flavor is. Are there poblano peppers in it or not? We'll probably do a Jack on the go and go take a look. Anyway, they're in quesadillas with steak. And they're still working overtime on new ideas. So go check out Taco Bell. I'll check it out too. I'll let you know. Dave and Buster's overhauls their menu with 100 new items. Wow, that's a lot. The entertainment dining chain refreshed its food and beverage. I don't go to Dave and Buster's, so looks like they've been working hard at it. So if you like Dave and Buster's, give it a try. Check out the new items. Doesn't say when it starts, but I'd call ahead, see if they've updated the menu yet or when that takes effect. All right. Restaurant menu prices inflation is easing. So that's according to DoorDash. So I'm really not trusting DoorDash as a reputable source. But that's one of the headlines. DoorDash would just love for everybody to start ordering again because that means they'd be in business. So it's hard to tell nowadays what's real and what's just like propaganda. So what else we got going on? Oh, Wendy's declares the first global Frosty Day. That's right. If you like Frosties at Wendy's, looks like it's happening on November 15th. That's tomorrow. Let's see, marking the brand's 1969 anniversary. Wow, that's pretty good. So, anyways, if it's before November 15th, get ready. If it is November 15th, check it out and let me know what's going on. Hopefully, they're doing a discounted rate. I hate to think they're just acknowledging it's a Frosty Day. Once again, it's hard to tell. So let me know. I may swing by, see if they're offering a discounted price. I'll post on my social media, tell you guys all about it. Burger King revamps Royal Perks loyalty program. The update targets frequency and perceived value, reflecting an industry-wide loyalty arms race. Everybody had Red Robin. I have loyalty programs everywhere I've gone. So seems to be a big deal. I guess it's working. Starbucks. Have you guys heard the craze on Starbucks? So they came out with these. I don't know if they're glass or plastic. I haven't seen them, but they're in the shape of a bear and you drink out of them. And they're going for like hundreds of dollars on the internet. Like they're way in demand. I'm still trying to get a white Power Ranger doll for my kid. There's always something in the holiday season that you can't get your hands on. So anyway, don't be crazy. Don't pay stupid money. Wait for it to come back. They'll make more. But anyway, it seems they've gone viral. That's only at Starbucks. Um, oh, they're calling it the barista cup. Really? Barista? Okay. So anyway, that's that. That's going to do it for your food news. We will see you guys next week.